Have you ever wondered how a single token could possibly redefine the way we perceive value? Or perhaps how a crypto ecosystem could revolutionize the financial landscape? Welcome to the world of crypto.com and its native token, Cronos. Today, we delve into the depths of these digital game changers. Crypto.com, a prominent player in the cryptocurrency arena, is making waves with its celebrity endorsements and its audacious acquisition of naming rights to the former Staples Center in Los Angeles. But what truly sets it apart is its native token, Cronos or CRO, which operates on the crypto.com blockchain. To understand the significance of Cronos, one must first grasp the mechanics of acquiring it. Users require an account with a cryptocurrency exchange that supports CRO trading. This includes platforms like crypto.com, Coinbase, KuCoin, and FTX. The purchase of CRO involves transferring fiat currency or existing cryptocurrencies onto the exchange. However, for long-term security, storing CRO in a separate crypto wallet comes highly recommended. Cronos is not just another digital token. It offers a multitude of benefits such as reduced trading fees and earning opportunities through crypto.com's debit card. Moreover, investors can stake CRO to earn interest and additional perks. But like all high-reward ventures, it's crucial to exercise caution and diversify investments when dealing with cryptocurrencies. So, what's the buzz all about? And what does the future hold? The rise of crypto.com and Cronos is a testament to the growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies. With a strong community backing and robust technology, they are well positioned to carve a niche in the digital economy. However, it's important to remember that the crypto landscape is notoriously volatile, and so all investments should be made with careful consideration. In conclusion, crypto.com and Cronos represent a paradigm shift in the financial world. They offer an innovative platform for users to trade, invest, and earn in the digital realm. While the potential for growth is immense, the journey is likely to be a roller coaster ride, filled with highs and lows. So buckle up and enjoy the ride, because the world of cryptocurrency is nothing if not thrilling. Remember, the future of finance is not set in stone. It is fluid, evolving with every blockchain transaction. And in that future, crypto.com and Cronos are poised to play a significant role. But as with all things in life, only time will truly tell. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep innovating. Because in the world of crypto, knowledge is power.